Yeah, I'm unboxing my CCTV camera. I just got the package delivered. So let's unbox it together. As you can see, it is the box. Yeah, the package. Time for the safety delivery. Here it is. It is Anran G1 2K 3G to 4G light solar battery security camera. As you can see, let's check it out. Anran G1 2K 3G/4G light solar battery security camera. So check it, check the serial number. Have you seen it? Yes. So let me start to open the box. Let's see what we got inside. I'm coming and placing the camera. I'm having an issue with placing my camera well. Please, 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, first we have this 24-hour security sticker on it. This is where you see. So whenever you want to use it, you just remove it and place it in front of the gate, or anywhere you are mounting your camera. Here we got the manual with the barcode. Have you seen it? So we got the instructions on how to install your camera. This is the manual. So we got another second manual. This word for the camera itself. Here we have the sonar panel. Yes, sonar panel. And you can see this is the cable. It's a fiber port. Then we have its camera itself. It's a big, I think it's bigger than the one I had before. As you can see, there is the lens. Here it is. You can see it from the back. This is the antenna for the 4G signal. Yeah, the antenna is for 4G signal. So let's see what we have there. Yeah, here is where we place the SIM. As you can see, you can place the SIM from the top. Yes, that is the SIM slot. You have the SIM slot. Yeah, and we have the power button and the reset button beside it. You can see that is a flashlight. Okay, now we have the cable and the mounting accessories. Here's the USB cable. Yes, you can see the USB cable, type C USB cable. Yeah, and we have this SIM remover. This is a mounting guide. And yeah, we have the bed. In case you are not using the mounting guide, you can bet it to a tree. And this is part of the installation kit. Yes, here you put the trios to a wall or anywhere you are placing it. I think that's all we have inside. Oh no, we still have a slim remover. This is what you use to inject the SIM. Yes, so instead of going looking for something else, you use this to eject the SIM slot. Let's see how it works. So can you see? Okay. Okay. I'll be using it to inject this SIM slot. Here we go. Okay, it's a little bit difficult, but I will try to pull it out using my finger. Yes. You have to be careful when handling the SIM slots so that it won't damage. I'm a little bit finding it difficult, but just take your time, pull it out, and use your finger to bring it out. Oh no, we have a SIM. Wow, we have a SIM and a memory card inside. Let me show you guys. Here it is. That is a SIM and there is a memory card inside. This is a 32 gig memory card that came with it. And this is their SIM. I think you can use your SIM. If you have your own SIM, you can use it instead of paying for subscription from their own SIM. You can use a personal SIM. Yeah, this is the 32 gig memory card that came with it. This is the SIM slot. Can you see it? That is the slot for the SIM and for the memory card. Are you seeing it? So let me place it back and insert it back. I'm fixing the memory card first, then the SIM card. It has to be upside down. See? Okay. Then you carefully insert it back to the camera. Yes. So you have to be careful so that it won't drop inside. Oh, I'm having a little bit finding it difficult, but you have to take your time, because the space is a little bit tiny, but when you have your time, take your time before putting it back to the slot. Okay, so finally here it goes. So here it is. Okay, it's going inside. Yeah, can you see it now? Okay, now flip it, then you cover it. Remember to always cover it because of water. Then yeah, this is the female port. As you can see, everything's okay now. So it's good to go. Thank you for the review. Please drop your comments. This is solar. I didn't see the solar panel, the cord, the accessories. That's all that came with it. Thank you for watching. Please drop your comments. If you have already installed yours, let me know how it's working. Thank you. Subscribe.